Are you ready for the winter season? If not, don't worry, we're here to help. Welcome to our complete guide for winter home readiness. As the chill of winter approaches, it's crucial to ensure our homes are well equipped to handle the frosty weather. This comprehensive guide will walk you through all the essentials, making sure your home is snug and secure. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of insulating your home, maintaining heating systems, stocking up on firewood, and preparing for any winter emergencies. Each of these elements plays a vital role in keeping your home warm and your family safe during the cold months. So, whether it's your first winter in your new home, or you're just looking for a few extra tips to weather the season, this guide has you covered. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Let's make your home winter ready. First, let's talk about insulation. It's vital to keep the heat in and the cold out. Insulation is your home's shield against the frigid cold of winter. It's the unseen barrier that works tirelessly to keep you warm and cozy, despite the blustering winds and icy temperatures outside. One of the most common ways to insulate your home is through weather stripping. This method is especially effective for sealing gaps around doors and windows, which are notorious for letting in drafts. Weather stripping comes in a variety of materials like adhesive-backed foam tape, V-strip, door sweeps, or even silicone sealant for those little nooks and crannies. It's an easy, cost-effective solution that can make a significant difference in your home's comfort level. Now let's not forget about the walls and attic. These areas are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in your home's insulation system. Insulating them properly can prevent heat loss, which is a common issue in homes during winter. There are several materials you could use for this, such as fiberglass, cellulose, or spray foam. Each has its pros and cons, so be sure to research which option would be the best fit for your home. If you're feeling ambitious, you might also consider insulating your floors, especially if they're above unheated spaces like a garage or basement. This can help to prevent cold air from seeping up and making your living space chilly. The key to effective insulation is to cover all bases. Think of it like a winter coat for your home. You wouldn't leave your coat unbuttoned in a snowstorm, would you? The same principle applies to your house. Every gap, no matter how small, is an opportunity for cold air to sneak in and warm air to escape. By sealing these gaps, you're enhancing your home's ability to retain heat and resist the cold. Remember, a well-insulated house is a warm house. It's a simple truth, but one that bears repeating. Insulating your home might seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial step in preparing for winter. With a well-insulated home, you can look forward to a season of warmth, comfort, and peace of mind. Next up, we have heating system maintenance. A well-functioning heating system is a must-have during winter. During the frosty winter months, a dependable heating system is your home's best friend, providing the warmth and comfort you need. But like any good friend, your heating system deserves regular attention to ensure it's in top shape when you need it most. So let's talk about the importance of maintaining your heating system. The longevity and efficiency of your heating system largely depend on how well it's maintained. A well-maintained system can save you money on energy bills, avoid unexpected breakdowns, and ensure your home stays toasty warm all winter long. Now, how can you keep your heating system in tip-top shape? First and foremost, regular checks are key. Make it a habit to inspect your heating system regularly for any signs of wear and tear, unusual noises, or reduced efficiency. This can help you catch potential issues early before they escalate into costly repairs or replacements. Next, cleaning and servicing your heating system is crucial. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, causing your system to work harder and consume more energy. Regular cleaning can help prevent this and keep your system running smoothly. While some parts can be cleaned by homeowners, others require professional servicing. It's recommended to have your heating system professionally serviced at least once a year, preferably before the onset of winter. But when should you call a professional? If you notice any persistent issues, such as inconsistent heating, strange noises, or a sudden increase in energy consumption, it's best to get a professional involved. They have the expertise to correctly diagnose and fix any problems, ensuring your system operates at its best. Of course, maintaining your heating system also includes taking care of the filters. Cleaning or replacing the filters regularly can significantly improve your system's efficiency and the quality of the air in your home. Stay warm this winter with a well-maintained heating system. So keep these tips in mind and give your heating system the care it deserves. After all, a happy heating system means a warm and cozy home. Now, let's move on to firewood stocking. A cozy fire can be both a necessity and a luxury during winter. When it comes to winter home readiness, one thing that often gets overlooked is firewood stocking. Having a good stock of firewood before the winter season is critical, not just for those cozy nights by the fireplace, but also as a backup heating source in case of power outages. When choosing firewood, hardwoods such as oak, hickory, or maple are excellent choices because they burn longer and provide more heat than softwoods. However, they also take longer to season or dry out, usually about a year. So, if you're buying firewood, make sure it's been properly seasoned to get the most heat out of every log. Storing firewood is another crucial aspect. Ideally, it should be stored in a dry, well-ventilated area off the ground to prevent moisture absorption and insect infestation. A firewood rack or a shed are good options. Remember to cover the top to protect it from rain or snow, but leave the sides open for air circulation. Now, on to using firewood safely. Always remember to use a protective screen in front of your fireplace to prevent sparks from flying out. Never leave a fire unattended and ensure it's completely out before going to bed or leaving the house. And of course, regular chimney maintenance is a must to prevent creosote buildup, which can cause chimney fires. Lastly, let's not forget about the environmental aspect. If possible, source your firewood locally to reduce transportation emissions. And always make sure it's from a sustainable source. It's our responsibility to ensure our winter warmth doesn't contribute to deforestation. So, there you have it. Firewood stocking is more than just piling up logs. It's about choosing the right wood, storing it properly, using it safely, and considering its environmental impact. Be ready for those chilly winter nights with a good stock of firewood. Finally, we'll talk about emergency preparedness. Winter can bring unexpected challenges, so it's best to be prepared. When winter storms hit, they can bring freezing temperatures, heavy snowfall, and even power outages. These conditions can quickly turn a cozy winter day into a potentially dangerous situation. That's why being prepared for winter emergencies is so crucial. One of the first steps in emergency preparedness is creating an emergency kit. This kit should include essential items like a flashlight with extra batteries, a first aid kit, warm blankets, and enough bottled water and non-perishable food supplies to last at least 3 days. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio can also be a lifesaver, as it allows you to stay updated on the latest weather conditions and emergency notifications. In addition to creating an emergency kit, it's also important to prepare for possible power outages. During a winter storm, heavy snowfall can knock out power lines, leaving you without heat or electricity. To prepare for this, consider investing in a power station or a wood-burning stove. Keep a supply of firewood on hand, and make sure your home is adequately insulated to retain heat. Stocking up on essential supplies is another key aspect of emergency preparedness. This includes not only food and water, but also necessary medication, pet supplies, and any other items you might need if you're unable to leave your home for several days. Also, don't forget to prepare your car for winter emergencies. Keep a separate emergency kit in your vehicle, equipped with items like a snow shovel, ice scraper, blankets, and food and water supplies. Remember, if you're stranded in your car during a winter storm, it's usually safer to stay put and wait for help. Remember, the key to navigating winter emergencies is preparedness. With a well-stocked emergency kit, a plan for power outages, and sufficient supplies, you can weather any storm winter throws your way. Be prepared, not scared. Winter emergencies are manageable when you're ready. And that's it. Our guide to winter home readiness has come to an end. We've journeyed through the essentials of preparing your home for the winter season, highlighting the need to insulate your windows and doors, maintain your heating system and chimney, stock up on firewood, and be prepared for emergencies. These steps are not just about creating comfort during the colder months. It's about securing your home, ensuring safety, and bringing peace of mind. Remember, a well-prepared home is a warm and welcoming refuge, even in the harshest winter. Now it's your turn. Take the reins and get your home winter ready. With the knowledge we've shared, you're well equipped to face the winter head-on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. We're here to help you navigate home ownership, one season at a time. Stay warm, stay safe, and enjoy the winter season in your cozy, winter-ready home.